In this video, we are looking into the Kiwi Ears Quartet, I believe, with 4 drivers. I know this is not a new IEM. This is kind of old, but I got an opportunity to get one and I jumped on it. So yeah, this is the Quartet, the smaller brother of Quintet, priced at $110. This one has two DD and two BA drivers, and that's what piqued my curiosity. I will include a initial impression in this video too, so watch out for that at the later hub of this video. What really intrigued me was the two DD setup. Okay, we are getting two BA and two DD, so that is what really interesting to me. High, mid plus 2 DD, so 2 DD for bass, and impedance is at 32 ohm, which is decent. Medical grade resin. I like the resin build too. I am not very happy with the metal build quality at this price, but I cannot complain with the Letshore S08, while the Teen Hi-Fi Doodoo is not exactly great when it comes to looks and stuff. So resin kind of looks a bit more premium to me. BGP award lifestyle, okay, looks very good. This color does not look bad or anything like that, so I'm really happy with that. Manufacturer Kiwi Ears Engine, whatever that is. Some information about the brand. I'm not expecting anything fancy here because I have had the Quintet 2 and that wasn't that great when it comes to the set of tips and stuff. So I'm not expecting anything fancy either, because this is the cheaper IEM, nearly half the price of not nearly the half. It cost exactly 50% of what the Quintet is priced at. Quartet, there is a small carry case too, so that is a good thing from this brand, and this looks very good, very good. And we are getting a switch too. Nice, nice. I'll look into the switch and we will see. This looks very good. Wow, I am loving this. This is, oh, nice. Looks very good to me. Very good. Wow, fantastic. If it were of any other build quality, I might have felt different, but look at this. Wow, look at the swirls and stuff. It looks fantastic. And semi-custom design, that is a very good thing at this price. Semi-custom design and no metal nozzle, so yeah, that is a great thing too. We are getting a dual bore design, right? Yes, it's a dual bore. No problem with dual bore or anything like that. Perfect. Very good looks for an IEM priced at just $100. Let's see what other stuff. I'm not expecting, as I said, I'm not expecting anything fancy here at all. Kind of basic looking case, you guys can see, very basic. Maybe a $5 case, very basic, and a very bland looking cable too. We are getting 2-3 pair of tips. I'm going to use these tips because I find this to be slightly better. The wide bore, slightly wider bore. This one is slightly narrower. Let's see if the red one is anything interesting. No, no, very similar to what the white one is. So I'll use the black one. So should I start with the red? I'm not sure. Let's see what tips I'll use it with. Let's have a look at the cable. This one is a very basic kind of cable. Okay, you guys can see this is just a basic bare minimum kind of cable. We can get this kind of cable at $10, maybe even less. So nothing special about this cable, very basic kind of cable, but the IEM on their own look very good. I will see if this one needs a cable change, because the quintet cable was horrible and these IEMs look fantastic. They look gorgeous, but the cable aesthetically is horrible, horrible aesthetics. We will see how this sounds in my initial impression within this video. So this is the unboxing. Thank you for watching. I had a short listening session with the quartet, Kiwi Ears Quartet. I like the kind of setup it has. It has two DD and two BA drivers. I was not expecting it to deliver a lot of treble extension or treble energy, and that is true too. But I was expecting it to deliver good amount of bass punch and bass clarity, and that is what this IEM is very good at. This one delivers very good amount of bass body, bass quantity, and that thump is authoritative, and I like that a lot. It has very good sub bass extension too, and mid bass is not very bloated or anything like that. So this kind of feels a lot more rounded, and hits are very satisfying. They are not lacking at all, and the area of impact is on the bigger side too. At this point of time, I kind of feel that the bass is slightly on the loose side. It will tighten up. I am very sure that this dual DD setup will definitely tighten up the bass, and the end result will be a lot more uh, defined and well rounded. I kind of feel that it is slightly on the loose and a bit on the uncontrolled side. It will gain control after, I believe, 100 hours of burning. Within a week we will see the changes, and I believe that this will turn out to be a very good IM. It is not V shaped, and I like that fact that it is not V shaped, and we are getting very good clarity across the spectrum. Yes, I do expect the upper treble to be a bit more forward, slightly more energetic, but it's not like it is lacking or anything. It just is not forward, just like the Let's Shore S08. While the S08 can feel slightly darker, this one is not exactly dark. This one is just slightly not as forward, while the S08 can feel slightly lacking in the treble region. And I am really liking this IM. This $110 IM is a very, very well tuned IM, and the kind of setup it has, this one is a very well tuned, well priced IM at this point of time. I am not exactly happy with the cable here, but yeah, that is it. So yeah, this is the initial impression of the Kiwi Ears Quartet. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.